So, my 5 minutes is titled Dream Impossible. Okay, so how can we leverage AI to accelerate progress in health? So in 2011, I co-founded Startup Health with a multi-decade plan to achieve health moonshots, like curing Alzheimer's and diabetes and figuring out how can we improve the health and well-being of 8 billion people, everyone on the planet. We were inspired by NASA and some of the extraordinary things that have come out of big things like the government, and the original moonshot, which really leveraged a collaborative innovation model. It was the combined ideas and innovation from more than 20,000 companies and 400,000 people that made the moon landing really happen. So after investing in more than 500 companies myself and halfway into our 25-year mission to achieve health moonshots, here's why I believe this new wave of AI is so exciting. At the same time, we're experiencing exponential leaps in AI. We're also benefiting from a multi-layered wave of innovation across a spectrum of categories, converging to advance human health. It's this mashup that gives me so much hope. Wearable tech, affordable sensors, home diagnostics, neurotech, brain-computer interfaces, robotics, nanotech, genomics, microbiome, personalized medicine, AI-powered drug discovery. We're in the midst of a new era for health innovation. Quantum leaps like AlphaFold, CRISPR, and the new drugs like GLP-1s are just the beginning stages of the impact we're about to see. A new level of health innovation is emerging, and today's powerful AI are just starting to supercharge them all. But as we learned from NASA, it's not just about technology. Progress happened for 3 reasons. The challenge was sufficiently hard to attract the world's best and brightest, number 1. 2, the mission was inspiring and captivated the world's imagination. And 3, success depended not just on technology, but on collaboration. To most effectively leverage AI for health progress, we need to focus more on these 3 fundamental things. First, today's investors and entrepreneurs have a choice. How big of a challenge do you want to tackle? Much of the health innovation today, leveraging AI, is down the administrative path, logistics, billing, the paperwork stuff. Then there's the hard stuff, the clinical paths like care delivery and discovery, where prevention and cures will emerge. Yes, this is hard and takes more time. Just ask all the healthcare folks in the room. This is where safety comes first and the regulatory process really matters. Second, we need more imagination from businesses and investors. Let's rise to the ability of the AI tools at our fingertips and do what we do best, create. Too many brilliant minds are still solving the supposed challenge of getting people to click on shit and buy things faster. We need more big thinking and more innovators and investors to stop optimizing and to start dreaming. How do we cure Alzheimer's faster? How do we cure diabetes faster? How do we cure cancer faster? How do we deliver care to billions more people with the tools we already have? Okay, the bold ones can find a way with AI in their pocket. Third, we need more collaboration, cross-pollination, and multidisciplinary innovation stacks. Many of the most brilliant minds in AI are within a few miles of here. We need more technologists merging with doctorpreneurs and healthcare leaders to unlock the potential of the tools and technologies already available. We need designers, scientists, engineers, entrepreneurs, investors, and patients working on these challenges together. Imagine the progress we can make when more of us decide to unlock the creativity to better leverage AI for health. Imagine if we cross-pollinate today's most amazing tools and supercharge them with AI. Imagine the step change forward for humanity when we all start collaborating on the hardest challenges. This is how we go from 1,000 songs in our pocket to safely delivering billions of people, 1 million doctors in your pocket. Thank you. And